Good day, everyone. Allow me to present to you the last part of this module and explain one by one the definition and example of each topic. And I think this is just the continuation of the report for the module 6, which is the printing process. So I'll continue to present the basic terms and concepts in desktop publishing. Let's start with the computer-generated graphics. So it is a process of creating and manipulating images, animations, and visual effects entirely using computers. Just like the special effect in movies, ito yung karaniwang ginagawa nila for animations, movies, fantasies, dramas, and I think you can identify a lot of movies that use computer-generated graphics. So this is the current advances of a printing technology. Another definition of computer-generated graphics is to produce realistic or fantastical visuals that would be difficult, expensive, or impossible to achieve using traditional methods like physical sets, models, or practical effects. It is also used in various industries including film, television, video games, advertising, architecture, and medicine to create more pleasing and attraction to the public. Another basic terms as concepts in desktop publishing is the photograph. So photographs are the most literal form of visual communications. They can be used to capture and present reality. So this is its greatest strength and at the same time its most frustrating weakness, especially when the camera captures unwanted elements that didn't notice or failed to filter out. So, however, you can use this problem by removing unwanted elements using the capabilities of your computer software program. So, to be able to alter certain parts of your photos, you have to scan the photo first. This will allow you to work with the photo since scanning changes its elements into bits and bytes. So in other words, photos become compatible with the computer system. So in the computer lingo, this means the photos that have been digitized. So you can do the following changes to your photos to make them come out more pleasing and effective. Next is cropping. So cropping lets you remove unwanted details by cutting of part of the bottom, top, or sides of the photo and retaining its rectangular or square shape. So by doing this, you can focus on the part of the photo which you can consider important. Next is silhouette. So by silhouetting a photo, it emphasizes important details and introduce an interesting visual shape to a material. So this eliminates unimportant or unwanted background details and reshapes the remaining portions of the photo. So it can also do partial silhouetting to provide a sense of motion. Another basic terms is the airbrushing and photo manipulation. So it can lighten shadowed areas or tone down distracting highlights using certain computer software programs. So it can also use sophisticated tools to airbrush or paint out distracting details. So often you can cut and paste together portions of two or more photographs. Next is the illustration. So illustrations offer far more opportunities for interpretation than photos do. You can selectively organize and emphasize information using illustrations. So in this age of computer graphics, you can use cutaways or line diagrams of objects for the technical manuals and documents. So this kind of illustration can show the structure of an object with more clarity than photographs of the various components of the objects. For the next basic terms is the clip art. This consists of files of existing artworks that can be dropped into the desktop published document. So clip art can save you lots of time and money by letting you brighten your publication without having to create your own illustrations. So there's a lot of clip art available for like every occasion. So other clip art reflects occupations, categories or field of interest. So special package are also available for financial, legal, medical, and religious publications. Another basic terms is the information graphic. So it inform and draw attention to trend, comparisons, and organizational structure. So combine the communication power of charts, diagrams, and tables with aesthetic appeal of drawing. So they can be created easily using clip art and your desktop publishing programs, drawing tools, or you can create with separate drawing programs. And the last basic terms and concepts in desktop publishing is the manipulating graphics. So there's a variety of ways to get designs appropriately in designing materials. So you can crop, box, or make silhouettes of graphics. So and this applies for illustrations and artworks also. And there's a lot way to design materials. Just choose the appropriate designs and concepts. And I think this is the last topic that I'm gonna present. But before I end my presentations, I just wanna summarize the key topics of these modules. Let's start the summarizations with the basic printing method, which includes the letterpress, gravure printing, offset lithography, silk screen printing, and the last basic printing method is the color printing. We also have the step in the printing process. First in line is the typesetting the copy, followed by proofreading the delay, typesetting the corrections, preparing the photographs and illustrations, making the dummy, making the paste up, process photography, developing and drying the negative stripping, cleaning of the flats, blueprinting, inserting corrections on the flat, plotting, printing, collating, and binding. Next, we have the four modern printing method in desktop publishing. We have the personal computer system, special software, mouse, and laser printing. So desktop publishing applications is a big help to lay out the entire publications from computer. So from all the placements of text, graphics, styles, and all types of effects. Also, when talking about desktop, we should not forget the entire system of it. We also have the basic terms and concepts on desktop publishings, and of course, the first is the format, second is template, style sheets, formatting while writing, macros, computer generated graphics, photographs, cropping, silhouetting, airbrushing and photo manipulation, clip art, information, graphics, and manipulating graphics. And that's the summary of the module 6. I hope you learned something in this module. Thank you.